Forester has been selling chainsaw chains since 1961. Forester makes Full-Chisel, Semi-Chisel, ripping, full skip, safety, and carbide chains. All of our chains can be used to replace all OEM saw chains. Our Forester chains are offered in either Full-Chisel or Semi-Chisel, with each having their own advantages. Full-Chisel chain is a fast-cutting, aggressive chain. However, it will dull easier when cutting in dirty conditions. Our Full-Chisel chains are rated the best on the market and voted the fastest chain after a series of controlled wear tests. Forester Semi-Chisel chain is superior when cutting in dirty conditions, as it will stay sharper longer and is easier to maintain. Our customers have trusted Forester to make their chains for over 60 years. It is no secret they've come to depend on the quality of Forester.